Okay, so I like the top and also the details in the side. This one is actually pretty okay too, but this is not my preference because I have a broad shoulder. If you don't have shoulder like mine, I think this will look good on you. This one is actually a little see-through. I'm using undershirt and you can actually see the lining. I'm not sure if you can see in the camera. I love the line of this dress. It's very conservative type, which is a good one. I love that. It's like a little below the knee. What do you think? Isn't it nice? I think you can wear heels and ballet shoes like this one. It's a little flowy too. I guess that's all. What do you think? Leave a comment below what do you think about this dress. I think it's pretty okay. Not my favorite, but I can definitely wear this one though. So yeah, let me know what do you think about this dress.